What's up YouTube? So today I'm reviewing the Olight Arkfeld, and here's the box. Open this, check this out. This is what it comes with. It's got the manual, magnetic charge. It's got this nice flat shape to it. You can put this to your pocket. It's got this laser and the flashlight together. It's got 4 indicators for the charging. And by the way, you just charge it right here. That's the charger that comes with it. And then you can switch it to your left. You got the laser. And it's going pretty far, and I'm going to show how far it goes in a minute. And then switch it to the flashlight. So let's read it off the box. It's a neutral white. It's got 5 brightness levels with a max output of 1000 lumens. Okay, you have 5 levels: moon, low, medium, high, and turbo. And it says it's a waterproof, and on the turbo 300 to 1000 lumens. I guess it's good for up to 100 minutes. So these are the levels. And let's test it out outside. All right, so we're outside right now. It's pretty dark, as you can see. Let's test the first level. Okay. Not bad. Wow. Not bad at all. Okay. Next one. All right. I'm loving this flashlight. Wow. Oof. Interesting. That's bright. I like it. Nice. All right, now let's test the laser. And let me zoom it in a little bit. So this tree, at least 150, 200 feet away from here, and I can see the laser. Look at this. Wow. Look at the palm tree. It's far. Yeah, I definitely recommend this flashlight. I got it on sale on Amazon for only $69.99. I think it's a really good buy. I have a lot of flashlights at home, and this is probably one of the best ones for its money. It's pretty bright. Love the laser, so definitely recommend it.